If you notice that cucumber leaves have started turning yellow or developing white spots, don't wait, because fungal diseases can spread much faster than most people think. Many gardeners only react once the disease has already affected half of the plant, but by then it is often too late. Powdery mildew and downy mildew are especially dangerous because they can quickly destroy the leaves, stems, and even the fruits themselves. Once the infection becomes stronger, the plant weakens, grows more slowly, and the harvest can become drastically smaller. That is exactly why it is important to act as early as possible, because prevention is much easier and more effective than trying to save an already infected plant. Today I'm going to show you a very simple natural fungicide that can help prevent or reduce fungal diseases on plants. I've been using this mixture in my garden for a long time, and it has worked very well for me, especially during warm and humid days when fungi spread the fastest. First, pour about half a liter of warm water into a container. Avoid using cold water because the ingredients combine and dissolve much more slowly. Then add 1 tablespoon of neem oil, which is known for containing natural compounds that make it harder for fungi to develop on the surface of the plant. It creates a thin protective layer on the leaves, and many gardeners use it because it may help slow down the spread of powdery mildew and different types of mold. In addition, neem oil is also often used against small pests, so this mixture can provide double benefits in the garden. After that, I add a few drops of organic liquid soap. The soap is very important here because it helps the neem oil properly mix with the water. Without it, the oil would stay separated on the surface and would not spread evenly across the plant. When you add soap, the mixture sticks to the leaves much better and slides off much slower after spraying, which means the protective layer can stay on the plant for a longer time. Now comes the ingredient that, in my opinion, makes the biggest difference. I will add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is very popular among gardeners because it changes the surface conditions on the leaves and makes it harder for fungi to develop on the plant. It is especially often used against powdery mildew because many people notice that regular spraying can help slow down the spread of the disease. That is exactly why it is important to react while the changes on the leaves are still small and before the disease spreads throughout the entire plant. Mix everything well and let it sit for about 2 hours. After that, fill a spray bottle and spray the plants early in the morning or in the evening, especially the underside of the leaves where moisture tends to stay the longest. Natural mixtures like this work best as prevention before fungal diseases spread too far. Write in the comments if you have ever used neem oil, baking soda, or similar natural remedies against powdery mildew and downy mildew. See you in the next video. Cheers!